Hello guys, Biketrips here again, and this time I have something from Chigee, an exclusive accessory from BMW motorcycles. Plug and play functionality and has almost the same features as the Chigee AIO-5 Lite that I did a review previously. But also it has some exclusive features, especially for BMW motorcycles. Let's start from the unboxing. Of course, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and plugs directly to the nav mount from BMW. Again, quality materials used for the packaging, but of course much smaller because it's missing the cameras. Again, from first touch, it feels like a quality and a robust product. So let's install it on the bike and see how it is. Installation done. The bike reads the accessory as if the navigator was installed on the bike. So with the continuous press of the menu up, you can select the navigator and you can control it directly from the BMW joystick, which also you can do with the Chigee AIO-5 Lite with the cameras, but you need to buy the remote separately. This takes the commands directly from the bike, and also it's more responsive because you don't have the wireless connection. But this version for BMW has some extra features. It has direct access to the native BMW data stream. Most of them are available from the main screen on the information panel, but with this way you can have different combinations of how you want to see the information of your bike. On this screen you see the RPM as well as the tire pressure monitor that reads directly from the BMW tire pressure monitors. But also with this you can set custom values to get notified if the pressure gets high or low. Also in this page you have the ambient temperature, the battery voltage, engine temperature and the range of the fuel left. But also here you can see some information that you don't see on the bike. The lean angle and how the brakes operate. Here you saw how the combined braking of the BMW R1250 GS works. And the second screen is a bit different with the same information but some extra. Here you can also see the total kilometers that you have on your bike, but also the date and general information as the previous screen. Here the gear selected is more prevalent, but also you can see the RPM as a number. And on this model as well you can see some information about the trip of the day, the last trip, total kilometers, max kilometers per hour, average, altitude difference and the total time of your trip. This model reads faster when the bike is off, so you don't have to wait 1 minute to see this information. And of course the screen is also touch and very responsive, and also it can be controlled with gloves. So what is missing from the Chigee AIO-5 Lite? It doesn't have the cameras. And as well, you don't get the blind spot detection because they work with the cameras. And also it's missing the park security monitoring because it also works with the cameras. So is this the most advanced accessory for BMW? I think yes it is, because it reads directly from the data stream of the BMW. It's a very robust and good quality product. It has IP68 rating. The screen is 1000 nits and very responsive, and also the system gets over-the-air updates. And you get features that you don't have with any other product on the market. But if you ask me, the cameras as well is a very good feature to have for things like this, or if you want to record your trip in general. So, where to buy this product? If you watch this on the upload date, the Kickstarter pre-order sale is still running. It has 15% discount if you pre-order the Chigee AIO-5 Lite for BMW. I will leave a link on the description, but if the pre-order has finished, you can get 10% off with the code Biketrips on the official Chigee site for this product. And also buy only from the official Chigee site because some scams are running around. And don't miss my next videos, guys, because in 15 days I'm leaving from Greece and traveling all the way to Norway up to Nordkapp for 23 days, 13,000 kilometers and 16 different countries. Don't miss it. See you on the next videos.